Hi, I'm Dawn with K-Squared Technologies. In this tech tip, we'll look at how to save time by taking advantage of easy navigation shortcuts in Microsoft Excel. The first shortcut to know is Control and the End key. This will move you to the bottom right-hand corner of your worksheet, whether it's 100 rows or 10,000 rows. Now, if you find that you've moved beyond the last point of data in your worksheet, then you may want to delete some extra rows and columns that are left over from previous work. Control Home will take you to the upper left corner of your worksheet, often to cell A1. If you have freeze panes enabled, however, this will take you to the first available active cell. Now let's look at how we can move around our current data range. For instance, to move to the bottom of this column, that would be the Control key combined with the down arrow key. This will only stop if there was a blank cell somewhere in between. So Control and the arrow keys. For instance, Control up, Control right, Control left, which will move you to the very beginning of the row. Another way to get to the beginning of the row is to hit the Home key. To be more specific with your navigation, use Go To. This is available in 3 different ways. The name box, which is just to the left of your formula bar, is a great place to either navigate to an existing range name or to a cell address. For instance, I'll type in G50 and hit Enter. And now Excel moves to that specific location. Another way to use Go To is to bring up the Go To dialog box. And that's either from the F5 function key or Control G for Go To. From here, you can specify the location you want to move to. You would also see any range names listed here. And once again, let's say we want to go to cell H75. Simply hit Enter, OK, and Excel will move to that location. Let's look at the Go To again. Remember, that was either F5 or Control G. But this time we'll take it one step further and choose Special. This is an excellent way to highlight specific parts of an Excel worksheet, whether they're blank cells, conditional formats, maybe places where you have data validation applied. For this, I'll choose Formulas. When you have very detailed, complex data, this is a great option for auditing to make sure that you have formulas in all the places where you expect it versus some raw entry. Let's see what happens for this. And although this is a very simple example, again with a complex worksheet, this would highlight where there are formulas. Your next step might be to format these cells to make it easier to audit or confirm that formulas are every place they should be within your worksheet. You'll also find many of these handy navigation tools on the Home tab of the ribbon under Find and Select. Here you'll see Go To, Go To Special, and a number of the most commonly used Go To Special actions, such as formulas. All handy shortcuts to use in Microsoft Excel. In this K-Squared tech tip, you've seen how to save time and effort by using handy navigation shortcuts in Excel. How can we help you to be more productive? Please reach out to us for IT services and consulting to support you with Microsoft Technologies. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.